Hi guys, welcome to this channel. My name is Kadi, and in this video I want us to make chapagetti together. Okay, chapagetti is the first instant noodles product to resemble jjajangmyeon in South Korea, and it is the second highest selling brand of instant noodles. Okay, so let's go ahead to prepare this. So this is the pack of our chapagetti. I'll just go ahead to open it. So you can prepare this in just 3 steps and under 5 minutes. Okay. So guys, this is how it looks like. So after opening it, we'll go ahead to open it to the edges. You can see the two arrows at the center. That is how we'll open it up to that level. And inside the pack we have our instant noodles, then we have our dry spice. Okay, so the next step is to look at where the water level is going to be, which is what I just showed you. And voila guys, so then we are going to put in our dried spices first. Okay, after putting our dry spices first, then we're going to put in hot water, which is the second step. So remember the line I showed you, that is where the water is going to get up to. And then after putting the water up to that level, we're going to cover our instant noodles and leave it for 3 minutes for it to get ready. Okay, so guys, let's just cover this down and wait for 3 minutes for it to get ready. Okay, while we wait for the 3 minutes to be up, I want to know your favorite ramen, guys. What ramen have you tried out? Okay, so guys, our 3 minutes is up, and I'm just going to go ahead to open this and stir. Okay, so we're going to stir it until it is properly mixed, like you can see me do. You have to stir very, very, very well, guys. And after stirring, you have to make sure that it is properly mixed. And when it is properly mixed, guys, then it is ready to eat. Voila guys, our chapagetti is ready to eat. So thank you guys for watching this video. Do remember to like, to share, to subscribe, to the notification button, and I'll see you amazing people in my next video. Bye guys.